If you're wondering why there's no art on the walls, it's because Ratsky banned painting. He also threw my comic in the bin, said it was rubbish. Yup, he just hates kids expressing themselves.
I had no idea he was so strict. What's wrong, Tabby?
She tried to write a poem, and
I've forgotten how to do it. All we do in school is maths.
You've got to help us, Mum. The Ratsky Ratty rules have ruined us. We need to have our horizons broadened and our minds expanded. It's okay. I spoke to Mum. Tulsa. Things should start to change around here.
Oh, they're gonna change, all right.
Okay, class, settle down. I need everyone's attention. Open your books. Paper planes for everyone. Go on.
Wow.
I can't rip a book. I love books.
Come on, Tabs. Let's make this class fly by.
I want everyone to express themselves. Discover your unique meow. Have a little fun.
Time to raise the ruffle. I call this Mount Freedom. Wait, where's that sneaking off to?
I claim this mountain and this whole school in the name of Burma Fang. That's me.
You're not the king of school.
I told you, I'm in charge, Popcorn.
Burma saw a power vacuum and took advantage. Classic move.
We gotta fix this. He set up his own kingdom in our classroom.
should we tell Colza?
It's against the kitten code to tattletale. There must be another way. It's a cat apocalypse!
Oh my whiskers.
This is all my fault. Maybe a rule-free school without any teachers isn't such a good idea.
Oh, what's with the bow and arrows? Ow! Not so rough. Flix, my precious, I think I'm in a play of some sort.
We're taking you to King Burma.
Sounds suitably dramatic. Righto. I'll see you in the classroom.
No one catnaps my mum, especially Burma.
King Burma, this is a really convincing rehearsal. But can I go now? I've got lesson plans to turn into paper planes.
Silence! You are my prisoner now.
I can't believe I'm saying this, but we need Ratsky back.
We do need a teacher, just not Ratsky.
Seize him!
Ah!
Popcorn!
Mum, Ratsky's ratty rules don't exist. I made them up so you'd let us have fun.
What? Flix Tommy Crawl.
So this isn't a play at all. You've got to regain control.
Ratsky told me to press this if things got hairy.
Let's hit it, Mum.
Teaching emergency! Teaching emergency! All children must be seated at their desks in 10 seconds, or else it's detention for the year! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Do not make me come down there. Now, where's the off button?
Everyone ready? Open your books. Substitute Colza is ready to teach.
In a school full of rules and regulations, one cat and her dog's sidekick, Popcorn, stands for what is right, what is true, what is totally pawsome. And that cat is Super Sub.
Ha! You want to be old? Try the wishing well. One sip, one wish. Wrinkle you right up.
Wishing well. Good one.
Where is this mysterious place?
In the hills, past the waterfall, left of the thingamajiggy. God, I can't remember. It's that way, so get out of mine. Come on, move it or lose it.
This is it! We'll wish ourselves old, and we'll finally get to see Furballs of Fury! Behold, the, thingamajiggy! Haha, we must be close. This way! The wishing well! Check it out, my feline friends. I wish I was old, go where I want, do what I want, starting with Furballs of Fury. I think I swallowed a spider.
A spider? Is there any for us?
Come on, let's just go see Dalmatian Dance Party.
You two see the kitty film if you want to. I'm going to be old and I'm going to see Furballs of Fury.
Okay, see you later, old-timer.
Okay, I'm old. Oh, it's so cold. My bones hurt. No one comes to visit me anymore. No, nothing's happening. Maybe the spider jinxed it. Ah! Whoa! Ooh, coming through. Ow! Ah! Didn't mean that. Wow, I'm not old. I'm ancient! Ah, finally.
Aw, you must be lost. I said you must be lost. Here, let me help.
Let go! Hey! Wrong one! Get off me! Let me go! Get off me!
You're welcome. I said you're welcome!
Youth of today. Oh, hey! Mr. Wheels, it's me, remember? But I'm old now.
Oh, you like being old, do you?
All right, have we got everyone? Honestly, it's like herding cats. Right, time to see the movie.
Oh, yeah! You ready for this?
Can't wait.
One group ticket.
That's right. One group ticket, what? Absolutely spiffing.
Yes, one group ticket for Le Grand Chat Noir.
No, wait! Furballs of Fury! What? Le Grand Chat... No!
Mais tu as dit que tu m'aimais.
Mais non, je ne regrette rien.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't! Ew! They did it! Gross. Call that a film? That was an insult! I know what will cheer us up.
Yep, snacks.
A cat! Ew! What is this? Medicine?
Prune juice.
I thought being old was supposed to be fun. Go where you want. Do what you want.
Ha! You spend half your life wishing you were older, and the other half wondering where you put your teeth.
Ew!
You've got plenty of time to mess around, young pup. Enjoy it while you can, with the people who matter most.
That Dalmatian dance-off was epic!
Tabby! Munchkin! It's me! I'm old. I miss you guys. I want to be young again.
Hold on. The wishing well actually worked.
The wishing well. I wish I was young again.
Spider!
Not cool cats! I'm young. I'm me again.
Yeah, all old and wrinkly.
3 ice cream sundaes and a prune juice.
Hey, Flix, what about Furballs of Fury?
I can wait. I hear Dalmatian dance party's pretty good. We can sneak into Furball straight after.
Watch it. And you with the stupid hat.
Wow, this manager's really not nice at all. Mom might be right about this place.
Isn't your protest over yet? You silly cat journalist!
Have you stopped your evil work practices yet, you silly, hard-nosed manager?
Ugh, stupid cat. I can't hear a word she's saying.
Ridiculous manager. Can't hear a word he's saying. Huh. That tail is strangely familiar.
Never 11-teen!
Super duper mean!
Never 11-teen!
It's
Super duper
mean!
Never
Stop being
11
so loud and annoying, or I'll call security.
Ew, Mom is right. Forever 11 is super duper mean. But I'm so close. There it is. Okay, nice and quiet. Quick in and out. No one will know. One my cat suede jacket, please.
Congratulations! You're the 100th shopper in our brand new store. Yes, you, the bug at the till. Speak to our manager to reclaim your prize.
Munchkin, can you get my mum on the line? I just want to explain.
Maybe let her cool off first.
I feel terrible. Besides, Mum is right. That manager is awful. Forever 11 is the worst. Forget Forever 11 and its cool cats. It's time to side with the underdog. So maybe the question isn't what would Mad Cat do, it's what would Mum do? Huh?
What in the world? Who did this? Clean this up this instant, or I'm firing everyone!
Congratulations, customers! Today, everyone gets a free lesson on how mean this store is to everyone. And as this store's 100th shopper, I would love to claim my prize. How about unlimited litter box breaks for your workers? Free to pee! Standing up for the staff! It's the latest fashion!
Somebody! Grab that pug!
Woohoo! Way! On off the rails! Whoa! Ah!
I knew it was a bad idea to let dogs into our store.
Get your paws off my son now!
That's just perfect. Of course he's your son. Well, newsflash. You'll never win. Those dumb cats outside will buy any tacky knockoff just because their favorite blockhead actor is wearing it.
Dumb cats, eh?
Blockhead actor, eh?
Huh?
Mac Cat? Mac Cat. The cat who is Mac. He came? He's here?
This is a disgrace. Trent, get my agent on the line. I don't want to do business with cats like this. I was just joking. Obviously. Can anyone here take a joke?
We'll see how funny it is as tomorrow's headline, shall we? Thanks for your interview, Macat. My editor will be delighted.
Well, if a celebrity actor isn't a moral compass for society, then who is? Thank you for your work, Mrs. Crawl. You too, kids. In fact, how about some ice cream? On me! For all my loyal fans!
What are you waiting for, Flix? It's not every day you get to meet your hero.
I already have.
Excuse me, you forgot your jacket?
It's okay. I don't think I want it anymore. Mom, let's get moving. We've got ice cream to eat. What's he doing?
Shh. It's what he does. Genius at work.
What is it, Munch? You look like you've lost one of your 9 lives.
I've got it! We should throw a party!
Now we're talking. But not just any old party. We'll have the biggest, most cat-tastic, extravagant, feel-good feline party of the year!
We'll get this cafe purring again. Your parents will think you're a hero.
What's up, pussycats? The best party of the year. That's what. Tonight at the Tiger Milk Cafe, everybody is invited.
Shh. Don't tell anyone. Just between you and me. Tiger Milk Party tonight. Totally exclusive.
Whoa! Scamp!
Hey, is that my favorite pug? What's the rumpus?
I need a DJ tonight for a huge party at the Tiger Milk Cafe. All a bit last minute. Do you know anyone who can help?
Leave it with me. I know a cool cat or two.
There's a big queue. This party is gonna go down in history.
But there's so much to do. We've got to clean up and get everything ready before my parents come back.
Why is there a massive crowd outside? We could barely get in.
And what's happened in here?
Surprise!
I'm throwing a party?
For the cafe. Munchkin's been working so hard, so we thought we'd celebrate and have fun, and keep all the customers happy. Ta-da! Sardine souffle? Not enough sardine.
A party party's a nice idea, but there are too many cats outside. We don't have enough food, drinks, or entertainment. We're going to have to close the cafe for tonight. Let's put away the shopping first.
But the party can't be over before it's even begun.
This is all my fault. I've let my parents down.
We can make this work. We can show your parents we have everything covered. Let's make this the best party they've ever seen. Bow Meow crew, what say you?
Did someone order a DJ?
Yay, Scamp! Where's the DJ?
You're looking at her, kitty cats.
See? We'll get by with a little help from our friends. Let's get this party started. Make your shrimp stew, Dad. Everyone loves that. But easy on the celery. Get as many boxes of Pupsy as you can.
Out of my way! I hear there's free prune juice.
This party is a pooper.
What a catastrophe.
Huh?
Okay, when I say kitty, you say cat. Kitty!
Cat?
Kitty!
Cat!
When I say doggy, you say bark. Doggy.
Bark!
Doggy.
Bark!
Hey, DJ, spin those wheels. And Mr. Wheels, spin your wheels.
Steady! I can feel the prune juice starting to move.
Shrimp stew, anyone? Not too much celery.
How did you pull this off?
It's all down to Munchkin. He's the cat in charge.
This is turning out to be a very special night. Great work, Munchkin. Great work, Bow Meow crew.
So we'll come back to help again on Monday? Just kidding.
There's only one thing left to do.
Bow Meow crew, assemble!
Bow Meow crew is go!